Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory. We're talking bars in this video, and specifically bars as a substructure to your final fixed full arch. Now, initially when we went down this all on 4 or all on X journey, bars were the standard. We had to put a bar as a substructure because you had it wrapped in acrylic or wrapped in PMMA, and those things eventually over time they would wear down and they would break. The bar stayed the same, it was intact, but the superstructure of course would break down over time. So 6, 8, 10 years you'd have to replace the superstructure on that prosthesis. There's many needs for a bar in a fixed full arch. If you don't have enough restorative space, we definitely want to put a bar in there for that added strength so we're not breaking the zirconia. Also, if there's a cantilever issue, or maybe there's an AP spread violation, another great case to put a bar in that final zirconia. But what about passivity? You know, we've been hearing, hey, if it's not passive, just put a bar in it. That's gonna fix everything. It's not gonna break. Well, that's kind of true. That bar is not gonna break, and maybe the zirconia is not gonna break. But with passivity, we're gonna have different mechanical issues going on. You're putting force on those implants, on the bone. So eventually, a non-passive bar, if it doesn't break above the bone, things are going on below the bone, the implants are gonna start moving, and you're gonna have failed implants and a much bigger problem on your hands. So Chris, what's the solution if it's not a bar for passivity? Do you have one? I do. We have our Passivity Plus coping that we can cement into your final zirconia model free. So whether you're doing a photogrammetry workflow or a grammetry workflow, that all stays the same for you. We don't need a model. Now, if you're doing analog workflow, of course, we'll use your model for that and still cement in the Passivity Plus coping. Now, how does this help with passivity? Well, as it seats onto the multi-unit abutment, it is a self-adjusting copings. It can make up for any minor misfit errors on passivity when seating, so it self-adjusts across the arch onto every multi-unit abutment in the most passive position. Give us a call here at Rowe if you have any questions. You can also check out our Passivity Plus page on our website. And let's stop using bars to fix passivity, and let's start using Passivity Plus to correct those minor issues.